So here's the pillow I made out of some scraps. Surprise my customer with a cute gift. They are ready to go home, guys. Look how beautiful they came out. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Look how gorgeous they came out. Did you see the close-up? Did you see the close-up? Look at the gorgeous fabric. So here I have 4, and the other 4 went home the other day. So I did 6 whites and 2 grays. Yeah, so you can take any plain chair and take it to the next level. By the way, if you need my service and you are around Pembroke Pines, South Florida, don't hesitate to contact me, 954-292-0073. And I have plenty of fabrics to pick from. Here are just a few of them. Here I got my new sombrella. My new sombrella fabrics. So excited about. Hold on, let me show it to you better. Right, so here's my sombrella books. I have 2 of them. So basically these are draperies and upholstery fabrics, or any home decor. So yeah, you can also order them from me by yard. You don't need to do any work with me. Just in case you're looking for some of these fabrics, just know that I'm here. Beautiful, gorgeous outdoor, indoor sombrella fabrics. Okay, gorgeous. And here is the other book. I'm very excited because Sombrella just sent me these books for being such a good designer. Okay, honestly, wow, these books are amazing. How do they work? Like that? No? Okay, figure that out, but wow, what a gorgeous book and fabric. So, as you all know, this umbrella is lifetime warranty, kinda, okay. We are finding out together about these beautiful colors, wow. Oh, okay, and here's the other one, and of course I have some others. Look at them from the back here. Look at this gorgeous from the back. So, alright guys, I will see you soon. Ciao, ciao.